If you want to see all the latest O2 Garage episodes, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, baby.
HoonTV! Alright guys, well we had a bit of a tough day at the O2 Garage today. We had a brown snake in the backyard and it killed one of our cats. We're not very happy about it. It's a bit of a sad moment at the moment, hey mate?
Yeah.
What do you reckon we chuck the girls in the car and go for a cruise?
Sounds good.
Let's do that.
Pretty cool.
Yeah? Have you ever seen a station wagon like that?
No.
No, that's a pretty cool thing. Alright, well there you go. Valiant Mega Cruise done on the O2 Garage. I think we better get back into the shed and do some work. What do you reckon?
Sounds good.
I think it's good. Alright, so Tom, what happened then was when we actually lifted this up, we put the chain in the hook and it actually turned the whole engine that way. We need the engine to stay that way, so when we drop it in, it drops in nice and flush. So we're going to use one of these instead. Alright mate, well it looks like the engine's back in. You're pretty happy with that?
Yeah.
What's your favourite bit of the engine? It looks good, doesn't it? Hey, looks pretty cool. Well, it's got all the leads and bits and pieces in, but we still have to put the radiator in, and we still have to put the thermostat in over here as well. Maybe do a bit of detailing and wiring and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You want to give me a bit of a hand?
Sounds good.
Right. You got mad graffiti skills?
No.
All right, Bucko, show us what you got. Oh my God. You want to start at the top, work your way down to the radiator.
Yep.
Give it a bit of heat coat. We turn the radiator around. We give the can to the sun and we see what he has learned. Say you've got a set of extractors, it's a confined engine bay, and you want to keep the heat down. What do? You can coat them, sure, or you can wrap them. Okay, so the worst thing working with heat wrap is actually that it's got sometimes fibres in it. And the fibres can come out and they will get in your hands and they'll be there for a month of Sundays. So, best thing for you to do is raid the old lady's laundry bag and grab yourself a set of these. Now, if you want to cheat, instead of using these expensive metal clips, you can start off by using the mechanic's favourite, the cable tie. There's the extractors.
Oh wow, they're pretty cool.
Grab them, grab them.
Thank you.
Fully wrapped, ready to go. They've got all the heat wrap on them there.
What are you in?
Ice cream. It's a hot day. Mate, well the engine and gearbox is back in and I think there's only really now one thing left to do after we put the battery. What do you reckon that is?
Start it.
Alright mate, well if you want to start it then you hop in. Look at his stupid look on his face. Look how happy he is. Alright, okay, key it over, go, hit it. Hit it. Ready?
Alright Dad, take two.
Alright mate, you ready?
Yeah.
Hit the key. What? All right, here we go, mate. You ready?
No good.
You reckon? Do you reckon it's gonna start?
Yeah, I do.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, well, you ready?
Yep.
All right. Key it off, mate. Here goes. Here goes. Key it. Hey! What do you think, buddy? Sparky, what do you think? What do you think? How good is that?
Pretty good.
You want to give it a rev? Alright, mate, give it a hit. Look at that stupid face. What do you think about that?
That is ding dong.
Ooh, Dad's got the car on. Let's have a look. Dad, what have you done?